guys, it's Shida Really Nourish. I want to share with you my haul from Sister Nat's Healthy Islander. She's the mother of natural immunity, natural healing. She's nearly 80 years old and she makes all these products by hand. She has some help. People do some prep work for her, but she literally grinds, because she ground a lot of the cassava herself by hand, ground a lot of things, and just she's phenomenal. She doesn't even have that much equipment. She does most of it by hand, and she's spry. Her mind is sharp. She's almost 80 if you see her. So here's the haul, and I hope you are inspired to seek natural ways to keep yourself healthy, train your body to fight viruses, as we always have done, even before COVID-19, and we can fight COVID-19 naturally. So let's check out what we got. Okay, so this is the haul. I have some juice in the fridge too, but I'm just going to show you some of what I got. So this was Right Bite Cassava Granola. We mash this up. The boys, my kids love this. And cassava gummies. But it tastes nice. And none of these are sweetened with any kind of cane sugar. She uses cane juice, honey, and a lot of fruit juice. Garlic plus syrup is a classic. We know how great garlic is. It's an antibiotic, it's an immune booster, anti-cancer agent, it's good for blood pressure. Tamarix sauce. This is like a condiment. You could use this wherever you would use ketchup. Called tamaric because it's tamarind and turmeric primarily, but it's got Christophine, green pawpaw, which is papaya for those who don't know, garlic, rosemary, sage, oregano, moringa, which some call merengue, apple cider vinegar, and coconut oil. This is good stuff. This is chen, so this is an immune booster. It has Kojirook root and noni root, bay root, chuk root. So it's gonna taste, it has mauby in it, right? Mauby bark. So I was just gonna say it's gonna taste kind of mauby-like, kind of malty. She loaded me up with a bunch of like powders. So this is Kojirook powder. Kojirook is a plant that has antiviral properties. So this is good for COVID-19, and you can use this as a tea, right? Chlorophyll powder here. And then this one's called fucus. This is a sea vegetable. So this is a dehydrated version. Then this one's called Miracle Blend. So it's moringa, merengue again, some soursop, guava, Puef Guinea, bay, which we call boiden also, and lemongrass, which some call fever grass. So this is a tea as well. This is seasoning here. So this is rosemary, lemon sage, basil, bay, moringa, and oregano and turmeric. So it's kind of like an all-purpose seasoning, but it also contains moringa, which then boosts its immunity properties. I would suggest this goes in, like this doesn't go in the beginning and then you cook the heck out of it. You just put it in at the end pretty much of your cooking. So I do a lot of lentils. I can see this in the lentil pot. I would love that, stuff like that. This is lovely. Cassava fruit cake, just in time for the holiday season. But I bet this is better than any fruit cake you've had. Or whatever you have stored from last Christmas or the Christmas before that. Yeah, delicious. Lots of actual fruit in the cake. So not those kind of weird, sugar cured dry fruits. And these are all made by hand. Sister Nats is almost 80 years old and she's still doing it. So that's my haul, guys. Stay healthy. Joyeux indépendance to all my Dominiciens. Bye.